The United Nations has warned the world is on a catastrophic pathway to a hotter planet, saying countries simply aren't doing enough to reduce emissions. New analysis from the UN, examining commitments from more than 100 countries, including Australia's, has found that they would result in emissions rising by nearly 16% by 2030. The UN says there needs to be a 45% cut over that same timeframe to hit so-called net zero. The UN Secretary-General says failure to reach this goal will be measured in the massive loss of lives and livelihoods.
In countries like Kenya, the changing climate has already affected millions of people. They're living through longer, more severe droughts and less intense rainy seasons, and they're walking further to find water.
The climate has changed. We don't get water from underground anymore because the wells have dried up.
Just months ago, Greece, Italy and Cyprus were hit by devastating fires, forcing the climate crisis to the top of the agenda at this weekend's Mediterranean Leaders Summit.
The fires left no Mediterranean country unscathed. While Europe's north suffered deadly floods, it's the strongest proof that the environmental crisis affects us all.
At the current pace, the UN says the world's heading for a 2.7 degree increase by the end of the century, if emissions are not curbed.
There's now overwhelming evidence that heat-related events, extreme heat waves, underwater heat waves, bleaching of the Great Barrier Reef, those are directly linked to climate change.
The US is the world's second biggest emitter, but President Biden wants to change that, convening a World Leaders Online Forum just 6 weeks out from the UN Climate Change Conference in Glasgow.
We have to bring to Glasgow our highest possible ambitions. Those that have not yet done so, time is running out.